Leia Review Assistant. Q&A. For Animal Science. Here we go. Study of processes involved in the conversion of food feed elements into body elements. A. Assimilation. B. Nutrition. C. Metabolism. D. Transport. The correct answer is letter B. Nutrition. It is the scientific study of an animal behavior in response to its natural environment. A. Ethology. B. Histology. C. Mycology. D. Physiology. The correct answer is letter A. Ethology. It deals with the coordination of various body tissues by chemical mediators produced by specialized glands and transported through the circulatory system to the organ in which the act. A. Hormone. B. Homeostasis. C. Hypophysis. D. Endocrinology. The correct answer is letter D. Endocrinology. These are thread-like extensions from the cell body called nerve fibers. A. Synapse and axon. B. Brain and dendrite. C. Axon and dendrite. D. Axon and brain. The correct answer is letter C. Axon and dendrite. What system is also involved in regulating all body processes other than the nervous system? A. Cardiovascular system. B. Endocrine system. C. Muscular system. D. Urinary system. The correct answer is letter B. Endocrine system. Passage of nerve impulse is much faster in A. Myelinated axon. B. Sympathetic nerve. C. Parasympathetic nerve. D. Unmyelinated axon. The correct answer is letter A. Myelinated axon. Two mechanism by which the skin helps prevent heat loss when animal is in a cold environment. A. Shivering and sweating. B. Shivering and vasoconstriction. C. Sweating and panting. D. Sweating and vasoconstriction. The correct answer is letter B. Shivering and vasoconstriction. Two neurons communicate via the A. Axon. B. Synapse. C. Cell body. D. Dendrites. The correct answer is letter B. Synapse. A small muscle that makes the hair stand up when animal is frightened or cold. A. Erector pili muscle. B. Stratum corneum. C. Extensor muscle. D. Erector muscle. The correct answer is letter A. Erector pili muscle. The last but not the least. What is recommended roofing style for larger poultry units? A. Semi-monitor type. B. Monitor type. C. Single span. D. Double span. The correct answer is letter B. Monitor type. Subscribe in our YouTube channel for more Q&A practice question.